What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw an axolotl. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a large gap in between the eyes, so we'll draw the same sized oval on the right. So we'll line up the top, want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each eye. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. And now we're going to go in between the eyes and draw in the mouth. Let's start over on the left. We're going to curve this down and then back up like a half circle. Now with the eyes and mouth in place, let's draw the outside of the head. Directly underneath the left eye, we'll start by curving this out, go up towards the top of the head, round this out and come down towards the right side, and then just bend that back in. Now there's three sets of antennas along the side of the head. Let's start on the top left, bend this out and then up. And I want to line this up over on the right. Let's round up the tip, come all the way down, and just pull that in toward the side of the head. I'll do the same thing on the right, going all the way around, and we'll bend that in. Let's leave a small gap and draw a second set. We'll step down, go out, and then up. Let's round this out, come down, and then pull that up and in. Let's add a small one along the bottom. Come down and out. Round up the end. Come in and then up. Now from the bottom of the head, we're just going to bend the arms coming in. So from here, I'm going to step out, all the way around, and then bend that in. Now we're going to add three fingers along the bottom. Starting from the left side, come down, and then up. Let's add the second finger. Stepping down, come in, up, and out. And we'll add one more finger along the side, going up, and then out. Now just underneath the arm, I'm going to curve the body, coming down, and then in. And then we'll add the legs along the side. From the bottom of the body, step up, curve the leg going out, down, and then in. Let's add three small toes along the bottom. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. Let's add another toe, coming in, and then out. And we'll add one more toe, coming in, and then bending that out towards the side. Now I want to tuck the tail in behind the legs. So line up with the side of the body, underneath the leg, bend this down, go up, and then out. And then from the end of the tail, I just want to bring this down and then up towards the right side. Down towards the bottom, round out the tail, and then going up. Now we're going to add a fin going around the tail. Starting from this curve, just going to trace the tail going all the way around towards the outside. Let's round up the end, pull that in, all the tail coming down towards the bottom, and then just tuck that up. Now we're going to go back and trace each of these antennas along the inside. Let's start with the top left. Work our way down towards the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of an axolotl. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you can subscribe to our channel because we're posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.